Alright, so here is how you can create your own custom profile picture for YouTube or Instagram without even having to download an editing software or without even spending 5 minutes on it. Wanna know how? Let's get started. You just have to log into a website called pixlr.com. So once you log into this website, you go and select the last option, that is Photosmash Studio. Once you select Photosmash Studio, in the right hand corner you will find an option called Select Photos or Select Photo. You can click on that and upload your photo. Well, when you are uploading photo, make sure that it does not have a very complicated background. If it is a solid color, it's best, or if it has very good bokeh effect and the subject is very definite when it comes to background, it is very good. Even if not, it works, but it works better when the background is not too much cluttered. So once you upload your photo, the AI will analyze the photo and remove the background for you. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to even think about it. Once the photo is all set, you can scroll through tons of different effects there and select whichever one you want. Every option that you select is customizable. So if you find something you like, click on it and you will enter the editing mode. So once you are in the editing mode, you can change the size of the image, change the layout, change the background, change the shadows. Everything is customizable here. So even if you don't want to customize, just by clicking on the effect that you like, your photo is ready. Once you have everything ready, if you don't want to customize, you can directly download it. If you want to customize, do whatever changes that you want or desire and then click on save button. That's it. That's how you can create your amazing or your unique profile picture in just 2 minutes. I hope you liked the video. If you want to learn a bit more about editing, here is a video that you might like, or if you ended up liking anything about the channel, here is a button for you to subscribe.